Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the VETEK Digital Camera, a versatile tool for both photography and vlogging enthusiasts. This compact camera boasts an impressive 48 megapixels resolution and 4K video capabilities, ensuring your photos and videos are captured in stunning detail. With 16x digital zoom and manual focus, you can easily switch between capturing vast landscapes and intricate close-ups using the included 52mm wide-angle and macro lenses. Whether you're a student or a beginner, this lightweight camera is designed for ease of use, featuring a top knob for seamless mode transitions and a pause function for continuous recording. Connect it to your PC for file transfers or live streaming, and enjoy direct playback on your HD TV with HDMI output. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing for extended shooting sessions, and supports charging while recording, making it perfect for on-the-go creators. With its user-friendly design and robust features, the VETEK Digital Camera is an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the world of photography and videography. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.